This video will explain how to replace a dead battery from a Vanderhall. The owner's manual, unfortunately, will not come close to explaining how to replace a battery. Read through that manual to at least become familiar with the information about the battery. However, in this video, in just a few minutes, we'll demystify everything to help you install a new battery in your Vanderhall. Does your battery need a charge or boost, or is it really just dead? Start off by testing the battery from the engine compartment. You will find the red lead on the driver's side and the ground centered towards the back of the compartment. Hook up a battery charger, and if the battery does not charge, then keep watching this video. The replacement 12-volt battery is a 51R-2 model. Check the labels on your original battery to make sure it's a match when you buy. Mine cost $188 from Advanced Auto Parts. This is where you will find your battery, right behind the real wheel. There are just a couple of tools that are needed for this project. Bit that can go into a flexible item. Take your bit into an extension. Then this can be used to attach. Now I'm going to go to the cart, whereby you put this in. To remove the bolts, but there is one bolt that's way up in here that you have to move out a bit, way up into here to get it. And I'm going to go to the other side of the car. It's similar to this side where you have to pull out, way up in there. And I'll explain that more later on. Here is your plan. There are 4 items to remove. These are the first 3. Diffuser panel number 1, splash guard, and diffuser panel number 2. All hex bolts are the same that hold these items in. Note that the upper left-hand bolt on the driver's side, upper right on passenger, of the diffuser panels are very difficult to reach. I had to pull the fiberglass fairing out with one hand while working the extended shaft with the hex bit to meet up properly with the bolt to remove. The 4th item to remove is this plastic object that rests just behind the swing arm behind the rear tire. The purpose of this object is to protect the battery and act as a support for the 2 diffuser panels. There are just 2 bolts holding this plastic guard. The bolts are accessed from the undercarriage of the Vanderhall. When removing the diffuser panels, you will need to release the tail light connector wire because you need to move the diffuser panels away from the work area to remove the old battery and install the new battery. You can use the battery strap that holds the battery to help lower the old battery and lift the new battery into place. Make sure you feed the strap correctly through the buckle to ensure the strap holds the battery firmly. This job will take about 2 to 3 hours to complete. Having an assistant sure makes the job fun to accomplish, and you can share a ride afterward.